gutherema na hĩndĩ ciothe twana gwetwo gũgakĩmenya atĩ gũkũ nĩ kwa Mũthingi TV na niĩ rĩakwa nĩ Kariuki wa Nduati. Tũramemerekia na njĩra ya ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe nĩ live transmission kuma gũkũ mũciĩ mũnene wa Kenya Nairobi mwena wa Amboseli Gardens. Tukĩanjĩrĩria nĩ atĩ nĩ kũrĩkĩtie kumĩra wagagu matũra-inĩ ma Kapsang'aro hamwe na Kimilai gũkũ nĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Pokot ya ithũĩro kana kaunti-inĩ ya Pokot ya ithũĩro, na nĩ thutha wa ndathũkanĩrio cia rithathi kuonekana gatagatĩ ka maabitha borithi hamwe na aici a mahiũ. Kuringana na mũingĩ ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũkĩaranĩria hamwe na ithuĩ na njĩra ya mwanya nĩ matarĩirie atĩ ũici wa mahiũ gĩcigo kĩu nĩ wonekanĩte gũkorwo ũkĩongerereka na rĩu nĩ ũndũ ũcũngĩrĩirie rĩu maabitha borithi na makĩria a Mohoro gũkorwo makĩhũthĩra hinya ũrĩa mahetwo nĩ thirikari itemi-inĩ rĩa gũkorwo makĩhũrana na ũndũ ũyũ. Aikari mwena ũcio nĩ mokĩrĩire na njĩra nene gĩko gĩkĩ makĩũria minista wa ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ Profesa Kithure Kindiki etĩkĩre kũmateithĩrĩria na gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ anyagia ũgitĩri ũrĩa wagĩrĩire gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ mahũrana na njakara ici.
Kwa hivyo mambo ya kupeleka kambi ya jeshi kuhamisha kutoka mahali tulikubaliana iende kule Samu, mimi ninakataa. Mimi nakataa kama mama county kwa sababu najua kule ni karibu East Baringo na kuna kambi ya jeshi nyingine opposite Kerio River. Kwa hivyo ni kama kuweka kambi mbili ya jeshi ikiangaliana. Aidha tusaidia kama watu wa upande wa juu, upande wa Chesekun na Marakwet. Kwa hivyo naomba Kindiki ama yule ambaye anahusika na ujenzi wa hiyo kambi aweze kufuata vile ilipangwa hapo mbeleni.
Na mpaka sasa bado tumepewa NPR. Na naweza sema hiyo mambo ya insecurity bado inatokea kwa sababu hamna watu wa kutosha wa kulinda sehemu hii. Kwa sababu jeshi kambi kwa hapo tu la Nyeusi ama hapo kwa Draja. Na sehemu zingine kote sasa haina wale walinzi. Kwa hivyo ningependa kuomba pia waziri harakishe mambo ya NPR. Na tumeomba kwa muda, sijui kwa nini kaunti zingine washapewa. Lakini tulipata upande wa West Pokot bado mpaka sasa hivi. Sijui ni kitu gani inazuia NPR wasipewe wakaaji wa West Pokot. Na tumeongea na viongozi wameongea kwa muda. Na tumeambiwa kwamba NPR watakuwa. Na mpaka sasa bado watu wanazidi kupigwa risasi, bado wanazidi kukufa, na ni kwa sababu ya kukosa wale walinzi wa kijiji kama vile KPR.
Kaunti-inĩ yo ya Pokot tuthiire ũginyanagia kaunti-inĩ ya Elgeyo Marakwet, marigitari na makĩria manathi kuma na arĩa marĩ rungu rwa rũhonge rwa manathi KNUN rĩu nĩ marutĩte mũkana wa gũkorwo makĩiga mĩro yao thĩ korwo matanya na merirĩria marĩa mendekithĩtie matigũkorwo magĩkinyanĩra. Kũringana nao nĩ matarĩirie atĩ nĩ mandĩkanĩire ngirimiti na thirikari ya kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet, no nĩ kuonekanĩte atĩ thirikari ndĩrakorwo ĩgĩkinyĩrĩria ngirimiti ĩno. Kũringana nao nĩ mathiĩte na mbere na gũthinyĩrĩria atĩ thirikari ĩkoretwo ĩkĩmona ta aruti a wĩra a maigĩrĩra na rĩtwa rĩngĩ nĩ ũndũ ũrĩa moĩkaine ta ghost workers. Mũrũgamĩrĩri wao akĩregana na ũndũ ũyũ kuona atĩ kana akiuga atĩ andũ arĩa othe na arĩa nĩ manathi na arĩa mandĩkĩtwo rungu rwa mũtaratara ũyũ makorirwo makĩandĩkithio na kaunti. Rĩu matiamũkĩrire mĩcara yao ya mwaka mũgĩa kana ya mweri mũhĩtũku wa Julai, makiuga ũndũ ũyũ waga kũrorwo na ihenya gũtirĩ ũndũ ũngĩ tiga kũiga mĩro yao thĩ.
Field staff audit, but they wanted to please the echo of their bosses, because how come a whole consultant is a cost worker? How come a senior nurse who will retire in 2 months is a cost worker? So the meaning of a cost worker, the meaning of those who are rating these people as cost workers, does not meet the standard. And I want to call upon the CC for public service to resign. That is being incompetent. They received the report. It was not shared to the whole heads of department for verification. Because it is so embarrassing for a senior staff to be told you are a cost worker. After working for the government for over 30 years, Now today you are told a cost worker. We have some facilities in this county today that are doing immunizations, but the immunizations are not going on because the staff who are working there are cost workers. And they have told me this morning they are not going to report to work. They will remain at home until that time when they are reinstated back to the system. When they are paid their salaries, they can go back to work, which is correct. Because when they are out, when you are in a station and you are told you are a cost worker, you have not received your salary, why should you work? So all the staff in this county, I want to call upon all of them. Those who are in rural, those who are in Iten, all over the county, those who are affected, they must report to Iten, all of them. We want to see the HR director. And the HR director must step aside, because how could that person effect a fake list and intimidate my staff, intimidate our nurses? Some are working in theater. They have been in this hospital for the last 15 years. Today they are cost workers.
Tuligundua kwamba wengi wao siku ile ya mwisho auditors walipokuwa wakifanya hesabu walipewa muda hadi saa 7, lakini wengi wao wale walijipata katika hali hii walikuwa wamechelewa kuja siku hiyo. Kwa hivyo walikuja na wakapeana makaratasi zao kwa sekta ya human resource bila kuhesabiwa. Tulipo wahoji, kwa kweli wengi wao wako wamehesabiwa. Kwa hivyo ilikuwa ukweli kwamba hawakuwa katika ile orodha ya staff.
Nuko wakwati udoshine gukorwo kirorwo mbere ya mugomo ucio. Thikiriria ripoti haha. Akenya ni marikitie guikiritana kuri President William Samoei Ruto akorwo agithathaura na njira ya kinyimerio iria erega kwaria aricera-ini riake kuria kaunti-ini ya ithwiro ria bururi na makiria igituria nime turia tukoragwo tukumire sekta ya sukari gukiri ugo ikariaya nimanyereirie guthi na mbere na kuga ati bara ya kuhurana na ungumania ni njega na ni thi na mbere baidu makienda President Ruto akorwo agitariria iguru rigie miario ino gukiri ugo amwe ao ni maugite ati Ruto nianjireirie kampeni cia mwaka wa 2027 makimuria etikire guikara wabici-ini na gukorwo agikinderia na kurutira Kenya wira itemini reke gukinyaniria uria eranire hindi iria akorirwo agietha miti mbere ya githurano kia mwaka muhituku wa 2022.
Yale maneno alitamka kuwa ati mtu apelekwe mbinguni ahame Kenya, ama hiyo katika hiyo nini ya mbinguni hatujaelewa vizuri rais vile alimaanisha. Hatujui kama utauawa ama utapelekwa mbinguni gani. Unaona? So jenye mimi ningesema katika hii serikali yetu ya rais angekuwa mtu wa kutenda, hatutakuwa na imani naye.
Hapo kidogo amepotea njia, kwa sababu kusafirisha mtu mbinguni ni kummaliza, kumuua. Kwa hivyo sasa hiyo kusafirisha mbinguni hapo mimi nakataa. Uzuri tu ni kwamba amshike huyo mtu amweke ndani, ama basi amfunge, ama sarende mali ya watu basi. Lakini mbinguni hapo ameteleza kidogo kuongea.
Asiongee na mdomo, tutakuwa na matendo kama hayati Rais Magufuli. Wakati Magufuli alisema kwake hataki makateri, alituonyesha na mfano. Alikuwa anashika watu kuweka ndani na kuanzisha kazi.
Yeye mwenyewe na Kashagwa ndio makateri wa kwanza. Wajione kwanza mgongoni mwao ndio waone wenzao. Hivi nikiendelea, rais yako katika kampeni ya 2027 asidanganye watu anasaidia Mkenya. Yeye anang'ang'ana kutafuta kura za 2027.
Mbere higo igogona ri uheani wa basari na ari hari muigana wa shiringi milioni 12.9 kuri arutwo 2,890. Mubunge wa Kaineta Elisha Odhiambo ni oritie President William Ruto etikire gutigirira ati ni ahukia turia nime na turia tugomeire sekta ya thitima na makiria unyagia wa thitima, akiuga ati ni tutucungireirie nginyanagia garama nene ya thogora wa thitima ukorwo kiambatira ogwakia aritio akimenyaga wega onake ari kamiti-ini ya gutigirira ati ni mathaitira mathogora maya no indi arithi na mbere na kuga ati ni menyititio muthiuri gutigirira ati turia nime turia tu sekta-ini iyo twahurana natuo.
I want to talk to the cartels in the energy sector. On Friday, when we landed in Mombasa, we are going to have a meeting on Saturday to write a report on how we can reduce the price of electricity at Travelers Lodge. Turkana, decided that that night they want to show us that whatever we are doing will come to naught. So the whole country was taken to darkness. I want to ask them, whatever they do, the reduction in the price of electricity must come to fruition, so that the ordinary Kenyan can have a reasonable lifestyle. I want to encourage the president, the way he has started dealing with the sugar cartels, let him equally deal with the electricity generating cartels led by Lake Turkana wind power. The Bungoma to join the president in his church service in Bungoma. We first went to the county assembly. They have built a 5-story building, 5 floors. And the building looks magnificent. They have a whole big floor for public participation, to bring the public to participate and to have conversation around the projects they want and the awards. Uma, Omoli Oscar Odhiambo, Owikoroja Zouma.
Nako kaguru karime gatihana kari muhuru nake mumagari niyo nagira
tutaga wira wa kwendia hema negeka na ngomia kene wero ndiraga na goko niyo
nitutamburaga kio gitu na thabari itu miethere-ini
akai kunyita ugeni goko kwa Muthingi TV
nikio nitugicemanagia o kiumia tabarĩra-inĩ ya mwĩhang'ĩri turi na mwĩhang'ĩri witũ agĩtũtirithia thabarĩ yake kinya hau akinyĩte
yandĩkwo nĩ mũthuri wĩho andĩkĩtwo gĩbanda kĩ harĩa rũgongo
nĩ o gũkũ ceceni-inĩ ya Muthingi TV na niĩ Mwangi wa Mũrugi.
Kuhagira riko na kuihura ni ibataranagia kugĩa na rangi na mũnungo mwega nĩguo ikagucĩrĩria mũcirĩi na nĩkĩo nyũmba ya Mũgĩkũyũ ndĩagaga itaha rĩa kũgagũra mũgeni. Tabarĩra-inĩ ya itaha rĩa maitũ tũgũtaraga njĩra ya kũruga irio ngũrani na onawe ũgakenerera ũrugi waku. Nyitanagĩra na Njeri wa Nyakĩo o kiumia thaa 9 cia hwaĩ-inĩ tũkĩrunga thiri cia ũrugi gũkũ kwa Muthingi TV, kĩhumo gĩa gũtherema.
Nitwacokereria mwiroreri wakwa na ngatho cia mwanya ni guthi na mbere na kurumanira hamwe na ithuĩ twikumenyithia utoria bũrũri ũragithi na mbere na kwĩriũga. Thikĩrĩria riboti haha ikaria mwena wa Sigomre gũkũ nĩ mwena wa gĩtarũ kĩa Nyanza oro hamwe na Unguja nĩmatetete nĩ wongerereku wa ũici wa mahiũ na ũrĩa ũkoretwo ũgĩthiĩ na mbere rĩu kwa ihinda. Kũringana nao nĩmatarĩirie atĩ ng'ombe 46 nĩrĩkĩtie kũiywo itakumenyekana rĩu kũrĩa irĩ. Gũkĩrĩ ũguo ona maheanĩte mateta mao hingo ya gukorwo makirorongana guku magitetia munini wa cibu makiuga ati ni akoretwo kamiti-ini ya guthaitira mahiu mwena ucio no indi hindi ria mamuhurira thimu mikana miroro ni okoragwo akimahe twamukire riboti iyo.
Jina ni Gabriel Thigar, ni mkaji ya West Asango. Tuna malalamishi kuhusu usalama katika eneo letu. Kwa up to now tumeibiwa ng'ombe 46 cows, na tunapoeleza mambo ya usalama iweze kutatuliwa, na tunapata simu za vitisho kutoka kwa area assistant chief ya kwamba tuandamane tu, na baada ya maandamano ako pamoja na sisi, atadeal na sisi. Kwa hivyo sisi tunauliza serikali ya juu kwa usalama za ng'ombe zetu. Watu wameibiwa ng'ombe, mpaka wazee wakongwe wanakufa kwa sababu ya stress ya ng'ombe zao kuibiwa. Wakati huu shule zinafunguliwa, lakini sasa wazazi hawana namna kwa sababu ya ng'ombe kuibiwa. Kwa hivyo tunauliza serikali kuu kupitia kwa waziri wa internal security Bwana Kindiki, tafadhali tunakuomba, jinsi ambavyo unafanya kazi katika taifa letu, tunakusikia na tunakuona. Vile tunaomba katika eneo hili ya Ugunja sub county, North Mohoro location, West Asango sub location, ukuje upige barasa kubwa ili uzungumuze na wananchi, tuweze kutoa kilio chetu kwako. Kama ofisi ambayo iko hapa chini haiwezi kutusikiza, then we are out to come to your office. Please, can you hear our cries? We are tired of our cattle to be stolen every now and then. Our people are tired, and if you raise a complaint, then you become a problem to the area assistant chief. We are now tired and we are out. This is the crowd, and others are still coming. We want to get the solution that will help us to have peace within ourselves. Tumechoka na tumechoka. Punda imechoka na tumechoka zaidi kuibiwa. Usiku 2:08 nilipigiwa simu na area assistant chief.
Aya, tukima mwena ucio na ndrakirwo matura mangi maria mahutitio ni hari hamwe na matura mangi Munguja Bondo guku ni county-ini Siaya. Tuthi na mbere aikari gicigo na makiria ya Gitengera guku ni county-ini ya Kajiado ni matetete ni guthukanga gwa barabara mwena ucio makiuga ati riu ni matiganeirio kuna ati barabara nyingi riu ikoretwo itigitwo oguo kibege kuringana nao ni matariria ati imwe cia barabara ici ni iria ihuthikaga kunyitithania matura matiganite na maria mari county-ini ya Kajiado na makiria mwena wa Gitengera no ende riu ni icungiririe nginyanagia ogukorwo magithi hathara na makiria onjoria kuna ati nginyanagia kumiria indo ciao ukoretwo ari wira murito riu naikitirita kuri thirikari ya governor wa county ya Kajiado manyitanire na minister wa barabara metekera kumateithĩrĩria kana kumakua tha itemi-inĩ rĩa gũteithĩka na ningĩ gũtiga gũthiĩ hathara itiganĩte kumanagia na ũrĩa makoretwo makĩona nĩ gũthũkanga gwa barabara icio.
Kwa majina yangu naitwa Elias Sokoine. Kwa changamoto tunapitia kwa barabara ni imeharibika sana. So tunahitaji tu usaidizi tutengenezwe barabara. Atuwekee mara ikuwe soft kama hawajaweka lami, lakini watuwekee tu barabara ikuwe vizuri. Ile hata naona nduthi yetu kila saa inatoboka mguu, inapigwa mshumari. So ile pesa unapata inakunywa hata na mara mfili unasungusha moshi hapo unaona. Unaona sasa hii hata shocks unashinda ukibaia na shock ni 3,000 unaona.
Na hapa tumegadhabika sana kwa sababu wenyeji hapa wanazidi kutaabika juu ya barabara mbovu. Na tumeona county hawajawajibika vilivyo juu ya kutengeneza hii barabara. Tumeweza kushuhudia ajali kama 2 leo, na hata kila siku hizo ajali zinapatikananga hapa. Gari zinazidi kuharibikia kwa barabara.
Kwa Joseph Warue, na hii barabara imetusumbua for a long time kwa sababu yani asubuhi unaweza ingia kazi ukiwa tu msafi, hata tuseme tu uko msafi. Lakini by jioni mimi hata ukinigonga hivi nimejaa vumbi kama kitu kingine. Lakini by jioni inafaa tu mtu akunywe maziwa
Huu ni mwito wetu kwa county hata national government through the constituency ili tuweze kushughulikiwa hii barabara itengenezwe. Saa hii kukinyesha, hii barabara itabidi ifungwe.
Mbere ni ati magana ma mbeũ njĩthĩ nĩ marĩkĩtie kwĩyumĩria kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Nyahururu itemi-inĩ rĩa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ mageria mũnyaka wao kuonekana kana nĩ mekuoywo mbirarũ-inĩ cia KDF itemi-inĩ rĩa maũndũ maya marĩa maragĩthiĩ na mbere guothe bũrũri-inĩ. No na gũkĩrĩ ũguo kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri wa mĩhang'o ĩno na ũrĩa ũĩkaine ta Colonel Pius na ũrĩa arĩ wa mwena wa Nyahururu, nĩ atarĩria atĩ aingĩ matikoretwo makĩingĩrania na ũndũ ũyũ kumanagia na gũkorwo makĩaga maratathi marĩa marabatarĩkana gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ makorwo makĩoywo kana makĩoywo mbirarũ-inĩ cia KDF. Ũkĩrĩ ũguo nĩarĩkĩtie kũrutĩra mũkana andũ arĩa mangĩkorwo makĩtia andũ mbeca makĩmera atĩ nĩ mekũmaingĩria mbirarũ-inĩ, akiuga atĩ tũu nĩ tũrĩa nĩme na gũtirĩ ũndũ ta ũcio ũkũhanĩka.
I'm Lieutenant Colonel Leshan, the senior recruiting officer of this recruitment center. We are at Nyahururu recruitment center today. We are going to recruit potential recruits who will be recruited to join the Kenya Defence Forces to deliver a service to this nation for defense of the country. First and foremost, the recruitment process has been smooth. We've had many young Kenyans who have shown up to seek opportunities to work in the KDF. The turnout has been great, and the process has been smooth. So far, the recruitment process is going on well, and we are expecting to recruit the most qualified persons who meet our qualifications to join up with the Kenya Defence Forces. Recruitment today, we've not had a case of fake documents, only cases of disparities of names or of people who have their ages is a bit outside of what we are looking for.
Nimekosa kufaulu kwa sababu ya majina in issues like majina yangu venye imefuatana kwa ID na certificates.
Sikufaulu, nilikosa document moja ya start date, nikakuwa niko na form 4 peke yake.
Aya, rugambiro nĩ gũkwĩra atĩ rĩu nĩ tũgĩkorwo tũgĩcenjia kĩratũ na tũkorwo tũkĩingĩra kũri haro-inĩ. Timu ya mbĩtĩka ciego na mwena wa Eldoret rĩu nĩ marĩkĩtie gũkorwo kana nĩ merahĩire macambĩki ao kwĩyandĩkithia na maumĩrĩra mega itemi-inĩ rĩa mbĩtĩka iria itanyĩtwo gũkorwo igĩthakwo wikendi-inĩ ĩno. Timu ĩno ĩrĩ na gĩkundi kana ĩrĩa ya gĩkundi kĩmwe kĩa Trojans na Asonatist nĩ mbĩtĩka-inĩ iria itanyĩtwo gũkorwo igĩtabanĩrio mwena wa Eldoret na kũrĩa ihũrĩtwo njeki nĩ kambuni ya Kamari ya Sport Pesa.
We have no reason not to perform. That's why we are in training right now, so that we can perfect on our mistakes that we had with the previous tournaments, so that we come out clean. I'm so happy at least we have this moment so that we can showcase our own talent out there, so that people can know what we have back home here. First, it's a big opportunity having this, and if we come up well in this tournament, first as the captain I'll be grateful to carry it home. And also it will be a good challenge to my team that whatever we've been pushing in the training, it has come up well in the game.
Yeah, it's a unique pool. Having Sigalagala in, it will be a bit of a challenge, I bet. But they will bring their best, we will bring our best.
and at the end of the day, we will wish to be in quarters, then in semis. That's our biggest target, and because now we have the resources back at home, I don't see if it will be a challenge. Being at home, at least we will be having less challenges because from the previous circuit, we have been having a lot of challenges in traveling, accommodation, and it has been a hell of a journey. But we have traveled through the storm, and we are at home, in which we'll have to present the best of us. Eldoret has been a dormant place for rugby since Sepetuka, and this one will at least bring it live for our fans, the sponsors, and the neighborhood, which is the community of around sports club. We are really welcoming you guys to come and see the best. Rugby is back at home, rugby is back at the core.
Nemo mariko thini iria iriko ya Mohoro Mika Mugambi my director mage ona cihanda weka thaimwe nikihumo gia gutheremane gukiuga ati guku ni kwa Muthingi TV litaka thengi muno mundu kiuma thutha kindu gitagwo graphics. Haya hau niho gukorwo ngikirira gaturumo mage ona cihanda weka thaa mugwanja kana thaimwe cia hwaini gikumenyithia uta uria bururi wa Kenya uragithii na mbere na kwiriuga haria kwa ni Kariuki wa Nduati.